Distinguished guests, our beloved parents, our dear principal and teachers, classmates and friends, good afternoon. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak before you and pay tribute to our dear teachers and principal. I am extending my heartful gratitude to our teachers who through their guidance, supervision, kindness, and patience model us to be good pupils, pushing us to complete the journey towards good education. Classmates, let us join our hearts to pray to God, to our teachers, to have good health and increase the power of knowledge and their commitment as of future generation. And for this we thank you.